Yo, what's going on, guys? Boy, Tyler here. You're back with another amazing vlog. Today, I will be doing day 2, part 2 of doing the Arizona Cardinals. And you know, might be sad, like, oh no, this is just gonna do the only one it will be. No, I'll do all the other teams if you didn't watch the last video. And yep, so I did half this season, and now I'm gonna play the other half. I might do the playoffs. So. As of like right now, our goal is to get 7 wins. Just our goal is to get 7 wins. I will be playing this game against the Ravens. The last game, if you watched my last video, the ending was sad. We took a loss 27-23 on the last play of a run from our running back Tony Ingram. He's shown he's really good when I play with him. Yeah, so my brothers are just gonna say hi before I start this video.
Hello.
That's just my brother, guys. He just coming to say hi before the vlog. Alright, we're just about to start this game. This will be one of the hardest matchups of the season. I'm really upset about last time, but I'll try to make a video every 1 or 2 days if I can. If it's because I have something new, I'm gonna try to make a video every day if I can. I will try to do it for you guys. So yeah. You saw him, Tony Ingram. He had a big game last game. And Buccaneers lost. Zach Ertz. Oh, that is hard, bro. Zach Ertz. Who the Baker? Oh, what is that? Zach? Is that Zach Ertz? Zach Ertz is out for the season. Wait, hold up, bro. Bro, was that Zach Ertz that I saw? Or did I just see Zach Ertz? No, that wasn't this. But I have 2 people out for the season. My backup tight end has to play for the rest of the season. That's just sad. Oh my goodness! Joshua Dobbs is not doing good. And Kyler Murray is not doing good. I have some pretty good QBs. If you want more of the Packers season, I will do more, bro. But there won't be any challenges or anything. Alright, we're gonna have to kick it. And we haven't got a yard yet. Bro, I'm throwing it good, it's just like they keep on dropping. And this is really hard. And 4th and 1. Ooh, we could stop him right now. Oh, I feel like they're gonna do a pass. No, it's not gonna. Oh, Dell on the left, but they're gonna run it. I hope we get stopped. Oh, we stopped him, guys. We stopped him on 4th down. All right, let's do this. Though the reason why I don't show my face or anything is because so you guys can have a good view. Yeah, good for the Cowboys beat the Rams. I think we're gonna get first in the division behind the 49ers and Seahawks. And I think we can beat the Rams by the 22 points. We just took the lead out 3-0 by a Matt Prater field goal from like 55, 56 yards in the uprights. Alright, let's do this. The only reason why I'm not winning the full game is because I don't have time to do it. So, ooh, Leonard Fournette. I never knew Leonard Fournette joined the Rams, guys. I just never knew. I never knew him the free agents or anything. Well, Gus Edwards. And he pretty hard Joseph on the run. And the Vikings beat the Packers. I also never knew Cam Akers played for the Vikings until I did when I looked in fantasy football and I saw him on the Vikings. If somebody in the comments below tell me when Cam Akers got traded, I wouldn't want to know that because I never knew how he got traded. Oh, it's a Lamar Jackson run? And you gotta get in there. Lamar Jackson fucking run, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna be sharing a fun fact with you guys about my brother Lincoln. So, before Lincoln was born, he had two names. It was gonna be Lincoln or Jackson. And he just chose Lincoln. I don't know if it's after Abraham Lincoln, but Jackson's also pretty cool. And I mean Jackson, Lamar Jackson, that's pretty cool. But also Lincoln because like Abraham Lincoln and stuff. Oh, no way! He got him, bro. He barely got him. There's no way both his feet were. That's crazy. Rondell Moore. Oh, do I do a read option? I think I'll do a read option, bro. You're not gonna expect it, but I just need my O-line. I need 68 to get back on the side, yeah. 68 didn't do his job on that.
So a step in the wrong direction. Now they'll look to make amends on 2nd and 14.
I'm getting to the end zone. Oh, come on. Backup tight end with the catch. Yes, he will. 1-2. Tony Ingram. You made me upset last game. You're going to get him when there was like 1 or 2 yards to go. Ooh, Seahawks are now leading. Come on, Brown. I want you to win, bro. That would be like one of the biggest upsets of the season, bro. That would be the Seahawks. Oh, read option, Joshua Dobbs, bro. And if everybody can just block their guys. Oh, okay. We're just gonna do the double slants. Double slants. Alright, double slants, guys. Sorry if you can see my leg a little bit. I'll move over a little bit so you guys can see it, not just my leg. Okay. Bro, Rondell Moore should have caught that. Bro, how does Rondell Moore not catch it? That's his second cell this game. Now we just have to kick the field goal. I'm not risking a touchdown. Boom. Alright. 1 point game. 1 point game going into half, it looks like. Unless they could score 4 minutes, 6 seconds. We got the ball back, guys, with 36 seconds left. I've been running it to Marquise a lot. Oh, shoot. We're just gonna have to run. I didn't see anybody open. Oh, we almost got in. I'm just gonna go. I just called our last time out of the half. I don't know why they put this in a pass, like when we can, yeah, I guess it's too risky. Oh, the Brown, oh, Seahawks are winning by 1, bro. Go Browns. I'll vote for another Browns fan. It would be nice if they won. Let's go, bro. Field goal, field goal, field goal. Please put a field goal. No, come on, just say like. Oh my god, I can't believe you got that off. No! We're gonna be down by 1 at halftime. We should be destroying them right now. Like, we should be winning now. We just, 41 yards from Justin Rogers or something. And they start the ball, bro. I want to beat them, dude. It would be like maybe the biggest upset of the season at the ground game with the Seahawks. Man, the 49ers are just destroying them. They're destroying them. Alright, we got them to the 21. We're just gonna just send it. Alright, see. We stop. We did get the stop. We're on the 15. Now we gotta get in if we don't, bro. Oh, wow, that's an upset. We see a series beat the Jags. Oh, Kentucky. What's Kentucky going to do? Oh, what? Oh my goodness, bro. How many drops do these people have in the red zone? Oh, these people need to stop dropping the ball. Fudge. Bro, come on. Why can my guys just never score when we're in the red zone? It never makes sense. Guys, it just never makes sense. Guys, it just never makes sense. It's a 3rd and 4. Oh, we gotta get. Oh, he just gotta throw it away, but somebody was open though. I'm just gonna advance it to the end of the quarter. That's a 1st and 10, bro. I'm just super serious. Alright, guys, that's just my brother. That was just in the way. I'm just gonna go to the change position. 14-6. And this is crazy, bro. We're not doing the read option. The read option hasn't worked all game. But we should be winning this right now, or at least have a close. Or like a tie. Oh, I don't know. No, I don't know why. This way. Alright, guys, that's just my brother. That's just my bad. I'm just doing this for Oh, it's being a laggy again. Bro, can my tight end catch a ball? Bro, my tight end cannot catch, bro. Bro, I gave him like 3 or 4 targets this game, and you guys are not calling. Oh, Marquise Hollywood Brown's gonna have this play. Okay. Bro, he was throwing it out of a sack, bro. Oh my goodness. This is a big route. Run down more! Run down more, guys! 1 second! Okay, please do not sell now. That was huge. Run down more. That was the best play I've had all game, bro. Bro, how does he... Bro, he almost has 100 yards. That's crazy, bro. I feel like we're about to win. We're about to tie this up, guys. We're about to tie this up. I'm not going back-to-back losses by 1 drive. Oh, Tony Ingram! Get Tony Ingram with a gain of 7. Let's go, Tony. It sounds like Kadarius Tony, but it's Tony. It's Kadarius Tony, Tony. It sounds the same. No, I don't want to talk to my brother. If you guys are wondering now. Oh, Joshua Dobbs. I wonder if we can run it in with him. We cannot. Come on, bro. Why can't my no, I'm calling the timeout, bro. You're about to spike it, guys, and lose the game. So I had to call one. I just had to, bro. We need some kind of miracle. If we don't get into the end zone, bro, I am gonna be so upset. Thank you, Marquis. And just that's my brother Smith. If you guys are asking. Okay, guys, what route are we doing, bro? What route? Bro, this is like literally for the game. It's the title. Bro. Look, you're in the way. Okay. Alright, guys, sorry my brother was in the way. You just see the level of the game. Bro, come on. At least we got to the end zone, bro. We should be winning this right now. Bro, come on, fumble. Alright. Oh, I'm just sending this to the next drive. Oh, they just wasted so much time. They got a field goal, though. They got a field goal. Okay. Now we got a chance. We just need to get into the end zone. 75-yard drive with less than a minute. Okay, come on. Where's Marquise on here? Oh, shoot. Fudge. Oh my goodness, bro. Why do we have no timeouts, bro? Do we waste all of our timeouts? Alright, bro. Okay. Our verticals. Oh, I should have done the 4 verticals, bro. Stop. Sorry, guys, that's just my brother.
It's my PC.
Like, that is not your PC.
Yeah, it is.
Like, that is not your PC. Just stop. Stop. Lincoln. Stop. Stop. Sorry, guys. This is my brother making me really upset. Last play, bro. Last play. We should have won this game. We should have just won this game. Where's the 4 verticals on? Why is there no 4 verticals? Nah, bro. I need to. Come on, bro. Shot clock, safe play. Stop. I told you this. Oh, these routes are not good. Guys, that is just upsetting. That is just upsetting, guys. We should have won that by so much. But we had a way better game than them, but we still lost. Sorry, guys. That's not much. Just my brother. I can't stop. Lincoln! Stop! Stop. Alright, bro. We're just gonna advance to just next week, bro. Bro, what is going on, bro? Like, I just don't get this, guys. I just don't get how we lose every time. Bro, the Browns lost. I'm just gonna watch this, bro. I'm just gonna watch this from the booth, and we're losing. I'll play. I'm trying to come back. Oh, I'm shocked that bro, the Browns got a 99 overall, bro. When they're like 0-7, and they still can't win any games with my team. But when he gets it, he probably just. I'm shocked that he still can't win a game even if he's. Bro. He can still not win a game when he's at 99. Stop, Lincoln! Oh.
First and 10, Downs.
Oh, yeah, I was just doing one play. Stop thinking. Well, we just fixed spikes, dude. Okay, yeah, that's just ridiculous, bro. Stop. They're gonna do that for a different room. Listen to you. I want to listen to you. Come on. Please, bro, my tight end cannot catch the ball. Even if it was for his life, he cannot catch him. I'm just sticking this to the end of the game. I'm not saying I'm streaming the full game. I'm just saying the full game. I'm taking matters into my own hands right now. You're literally down by 10, bro. Alright, oh. Run down more! Run down more! Ooh, there's Rondell. Let's go, Rondell. Let's go.
Nearly 40 yards on 3rd and medium to pick up the first. On Play action, it's Dobbs.
Okay, that's end zone. That's end zone. Touchdown, Rondale. There's some games he plays good, sometimes he plays really bad. This is a game he's playing really good.
Touchdown on the season. And the Cardinals have cut it back within a
Alright,
score.
it's good.
Extra point good by Prater. That'll cut it to 3 at 10-7. So the drive winds up going 7
I can get one of the
plays.
Oh yes, it's just my brother's really annoying.
After the touchdown, out is Prater to kick.
Alright, after this time.
Deep, here comes a return.
What?
And then he brought down shy of the 20, so the decision to bring it out of the end zone, not a good one.
I don't know why I've never played out. Sorry guys, it's just my brother is just really annoying me. Sorry if it's not that good of a video, it's just gonna be my brother guys, okay? Just try not to like distract me, okay?
Now Dobbs.
Oh my goodness, why is there questions on them though? I don't get why there's
First they use the first of their timeouts as they get the stoppage with a little over 50 seconds to go in the first half.
We need this first down so bad right now. Bro, why is he wearing the number 0? I thought nobody wears the number 0. Bro, this is ridiculous. I can't see what they're wearing or anything. Bro, I'm switching this play. We need this, bro. We can't lose stuff round. Yes. Rondale Moore! Rondale Moore! That was huge, guys. Just huge. Sorry if this guy was a little bit of a long video. I try not to make it that long. Man, yeah, that's just a good game of Wolves. Which is versus Tyreek Dolphins. That's just a good one. Oh, yeah, they're winning. Joshua Dobbs won the ball. I thought that was in the end zone, bro. Bro, I thought that was gonna be in the end zone touchdown, bro. Halfback dive, just I wanted to do like a QB dive. That's fine. Halfback. Why can't our halfback do anything? We need to do a quick slam, bro. Bro, why can't we just get it to the end zone? We need an end zone right this play. What is Joshua Dobbs doing? Bro, Zach Ertz is out for Marvin Kim. What is going on with Kyler Murray, bro? What the heck is going on with Kyler Murray? I have no idea what's going on with Kyler Murray. Ingram even reopened. Yeah, Ingram is a beast, bro. Ingram is literally a beast, bro. How did you catch that? And he's not that high of an overall, but he's still top. I think he's like a 60, 67, 68, 69. I'm like really no idea. Alright, we're just gonna kick it off and we're just gonna continue singing that. Man, that was a good drive. 4th down and we completed. Oh, he's just gonna nail it to be honest. Oh, he's now go, get him. So, oh, he just. We're just gonna sing it to the end of the game. I might hop in it again, it just depends. Alright, we took the lead. As we just took the lead. Oh, who has the ball? We did. Let's do this, guys, bro. We need this, bro. Marquise Brown. Or it could be whoever number 0 is. Oh, Pascal. He's open too, I guess. This might be the best year of the week, and it's not even good. That's just crazy. Bro, what the heck is this? It's like trips, bro. It's literally trips. Wow, what a catch from Rondell. No, is that Rondell, bro? No, that's Ingram.
Inside the 20. 2 choke plays in a row. The last one was over 20 yards, and so is this one. So from inside the 20, here's
Let's
first
do
and
this.
10 at the 18.
Sorry guys that I got sick. My brother just keeps on distracting me, which is really annoying.
Release first. First and 3 to give him for a loss of 6.
Let's do this, guys.
Second and 16
I'm
after
just
the sack. From the shotgun, here's Downs.
Is it just an end zone shot? Or it can be an interception? Hard side. Tweet HQ. Just don't ask me myself. Sorry guys, it's just my brother's just being really annoying. Oh my gosh, we just took the lead. Guys, we just took the lead. 5-1. We're doing this kickoff. How did we just take the lead?
After the touchdown, out is Prater.
Bro, it's a 1-point game, bro. This is literally the best matchup of the week, low-key. Oh, they're returning it. Come on, bro. We have the advantage on this. It's fine. Deshaun Watson's bro. I'll just play one point.
Down 28-27. 40 seconds to go.
Come on.
Losing streak.
Oh, bro. Bro, we could have just got that kick. We almost could have just got a kick. Bro, why is it not letting us go? Let's just finish this play, guys. Oh, we broke it up. Alright, guys, we broke it up. Dustin Hopkins, they need the 38 to take the field goal. Let's just. Pass knocked away. Oh, Jermaine Ford, are you serious right now? Alright, now what is going on, bro? I need to hop into this. Bro, they're on the field goal. You're on the field goal range. Oh my goodness, bro. If we lose again, I might just not make a video for a week at this point if we lose. Okay. Now they're just gonna throw incomplete passes. They're just trying to get closer. Okay. Second and 10. Bro, they're 1 inch ahead of their target, bro. Oh, why are they passing it? Why are they passing it, bro? Bro, Jordan Love ended up winning, bro. Alright, bro, we're just hopping into next play. Bro, Elijah Moore, why do I, like, when I'm not there, bro? We won! Because they had no timeouts left, guys. Let's go, bro. We're just gonna send the rest of the season and just see where we get to. When we finish the Super Sim, I will be done for this video. Marquise Brown is getting upgraded. He's now in the North Green Club. We're seeing this. Alright, let's go, bro. We still have a chance of making the playoffs, but not that good of a chance because we have 6 losses. Week 10. And guys, I'll try to start a channel soon, and it'll just be all about like gaming and stuff. But I might post it to the normal channel. I might not. Yeah. In the comments below, guys, say if you want more Pokemon videos or the Packers one. On board would be nice. We are now in week 15. Alright, guys. Week 18. We got 6 wins. I could take that, bro. I could take that. I'm shocked the Seahawks did not make the playoffs. Alright, that was a pretty good season. Bro, did the 49ers get the 1 seed? Oh, they got the 2, bro. They got the 2. Like, how's the Cowboys get the 3 seed, bro? The Vikings got the 4. Bro, I'm shocked the Eagles didn't get higher. Wow, that is just the shockiest thing ever. The Chiefs didn't even get the 1 seed. The Bills got it. Alright, Bengals third. Bro, how did the Broncos make the playoffs with Russell Wilson? That's just crazy. Yeah, just the same matchup like last year. Ravens versus... Alright guys, if you like, I'll make another video tomorrow. I'll try to do it in the morning if I can. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe for more.